The channel dives into natural skincare with practical tips, empowering viewers to elevate routines using simple, evidence-based ingredients and sustainable habits. Viewers learn to identify their skin type and the correct order of product application for maximum absorption and balance. A DIY remedy features soothing aloe, oats, and honey, explained in steps that suit sensitive or reactive skin. The video highlights organic ingredients, label reading, and choosing chemical-free options that nourish without irritants. Each episode invites experimentation and mindful upgrades, ensuring beauty and wellness blossom from nature's pantry.